Jesse Vollmer, branch manager of Prime Source Funding here in Rochester, and this is your Rochester Real Estate Pro Tip of the Week. This week I'm here with Alex Mayer with Counselor Realty. Alex, how are you doing today?
Doing okay, Jesse. How are you?
I'm doing good, doing good. Alex is actually one of the top real estate agents in town. Alex, tell me a little bit more about what separates you from the rest of the agents in town.
Sure. So I have three main core values that I show up with at every part of my business. It's education, communication, and responsiveness. And I have some innovative techniques in digital and engagement marketing.
Cool. Well, Alex, I think one of the key things, and you would probably agree with this, is having your lender and your loan officer on the same page. Having that communication is very, very important for the consumer, which would be you. Tell me a little bit more about how that works and what you see in lenders and what separates us from the rest of the pack.
Yeah, I think that's a really important part in the whole process, not only when you get to the transactional phase, but even in the very beginning. You know, many lenders offer different programs, and making sure you're working with a lender who has access to a variety of different programs is very important for the consumer. Not only within, searching for a property in that standpoint, but also having a relationship where we can communicate directly.
Exactly.
Making sure that you're working with a lender and a realtor who are actually on the same page a lot of the time, that can be the difference between you getting your home and missing out on.
Great, thanks Alex. And now it's time for the Rochester area pro tip of the week. This week we're talking about the powers of having 20% down when you purchase your home. Obviously that's a lot of money. Sometimes it's not always an option, but if you do have the ability to save up for that 20%, you don't have to have private mortgage insurance. There's really no incentive for having mortgage insurance as a homeowner, but it is insurance the lender requires. So putting 20% down will put a little bit of money on your pocket, just basically having a lower mortgage payment. Also, a lot of the times you'll get a waiver on your appraisal, so it's not even required. Appraisals are complicated and sometimes create issues with the loan process, and they cost about $500–600, so it puts a little bit more money in your pocket at the time of closing.